Ibor kam jotono ang norokno ani channel lamsoko ang tabuk Delhi High Court se ang Delhi High Court tambagi fai hingke tini kaisa Delhi government ni je free education policy abono challenge khana faimani abo free education kaham kokno joto charai besarok man khangke centralized lottery system tei charai rokno selection khaijago free education pornani haifano je school thangangke a school ni authorities rok abo charai rokno naya tamningke brokno gorib borok nei je general category ni admission full ongyan bagai norok je EWS category tei norok admission maya ama hini kabangma school student rokno brokno ameke tandon khai tongo court rok kabangma jaga judgment rijak je EWS category no brokno admission nanan bagai tamni hingke je school authorities rok a charai rokno brokni school admission na khangke taisa brok government ni through tei brok reimbursement nai mano haifano je private school rok a charai rokno naya brokno harassment khai tongo abon bagai jeng Delhi High Court faijak abono challenge khainan bagai ani channel nai tongnai dongno bell icon hambai norok nai tongdi ang norok na katal updates ri tongnai hambai